we are going to open the Stone Cold Steve Austin starter deck. Alright, okay, this is the first edition Raw Deal collectible card game. Okay, let's open this. Okay, it's a brand new starter deck. Okay, looks thick. Hopefully it's 60 card. Okay, plus 61. And then this is the rule book. Okay, it's the same rule book. Okay, let's open up this one. Let's open this. Oh, Stone Cold Superstar card. So hand size 7, superstar value 5. Okay, superstar ability, once during your turn you may draw a card. You must then take a card from your hand and place it on the bottom of your arsenal. Okay, alright, so Lost Express. Okay, it's a reversal card, unique reversal card for Stone Cold. Okay, if played from your hand, you may reverse any maneuver after the card title Irish Whip. Okay, okay, there's another one. Okay, Austin Elbow Smash. Okay, it's a strike, high risk maneuver, may not reverse, can only play after a maneuver that does 5 damage or greater. Okay, and then double digits, so another reversal. Okay, Stone Cold to the Rock, this one. Okay, reverse any strike, grapple or submission and then your opponent's turn. Okay, okay, so now is the normal cards. Chop, rolling takedown, knee to the guard, break the hold, submission, escape move, step aside, punch, kick, kick, kick. So there's 3 kick. Okay, all with the Stone Cold's image. Atomic drop, vertical suplex. These are all Stone Cold's move. Running elbow smash, elbow to the face, a reversal, shake it off. That's 2. Okay, so if only playable only if your fortitude is less than your opponent's. Remove 1 card from your opponent's ring area with less than your equal fortitude. Okay, so action card, recovery, roll out of the way, roll out of the ring. Chop again, chop, so there's 3 copies of chop. Punch, so there's 3 copies of punch. Okay, hip toss, 0 fortitude, which is good. Okay, arm drag, snap, meh, and a body slam. Okay, armbar. Okay, submission, chin lock. Okay, there's 3 chin locks. Bear hug. Okay, submission again, and then step aside. We have 3 step asides. Escape move. Okay, 3 escape move as well. Break the hole. So 3. So all 3 copies. Grapple, strike, and submission. Don't think too hard. There's 3 with the rocks picture. Okay, not yet. Okay, another action card, joking position. So this action setup, Irish whip. So 2 copies each. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 18, 19, 20. So 20 will be 60 cards. Okay, and then plus the Stone Cold Superstar card. So we have a 61 starter deck. Okay, Stone Cold. Bye bye.